If you are a MacBook user or you plan on getting one, this is for you. Battery health is one of the things you pay close attention to when purchasing a used MacBook, just as it is in mobile phones. And if you already have one, knowing how many charge cycles your battery has and how many are left can help you determine when your battery is due for replacement. In this video, I will explain what a battery cycle count is and how to check if your MacBook battery is due for replacement. Welcome to Tech in 2. First, what's a cycle count? The cycle count is number of times the battery has been fully charged. This is the process of charging your battery completely, fully charged, and using all the battery capacity or the battery power until it's no longer operational. But that doesn't necessarily mean in a single charge. For example, you could use half of your laptop's charge in one day and then recharge it fully. If you do the same thing the next day, it counts as one cycle charge, not two. The estimated number of cycles your battery can go through before needing to be replaced can vary by the year and the model of the MacBook. Apple says if your MacBook is approaching 1000 cycle mark, you might want to start thinking of replacing your battery. Now, here are the steps you need to follow to access information about your MacBook battery. Hold the Option key and click the Apple menu on the top left corner of your MacBook, then choose System Information. Under the Hardware section of the System Information window, select Power. The current cycle count is listed under the Battery Information section. Alternatively, go to the top left corner of your MacBook, click on the Apple logo. In the drop-down, click on the About This Mac. Click on the System Report. Then go down a bit and click on Power. Here, you can see all the battery information of this system, just like mine. As you can see, my MacBook cycle count is 27, meaning it has just completed a 27 charge cycle. Now, here's another bonus tip. Always charge your MacBook when it's needed. Do not overcharge. Overcharging your battery can affect the lifespan of the battery. Please take note. If you find this video interesting, kindly drop your comment in the comment section and follow us for more.